So, in this lesson I am going to teach you how to make a simple sugar syrup. So, I have water and sugar, that is all. So, in the stove put the saucepan and add water and sugar. We just need to keep cooking until it starts boiling. That time the sugar would have fully dissolved. And so we call it simple sugar syrup because there is no flavor in it. So we could use this as it is based on the cake that we are going to use, or sometimes we might have to flavor the syrup depending on what is the flavor that we are going to decide for the layered cake. I am just going to let the sugar dissolve fully, and then when the sugar syrup, which is the water and the sugar together, starts boiling, I will just switch off the stove and then allow it to cool down. So this needs to be stored in the refrigerator because we want the sugar syrup to be cold enough when we are going to use that on the cake to baste the cake, which is like adding sugar syrup in the layers of the sponges. So it's beginning to boil now. Just going to wait until it just starts boiling fully, and then we are done with making the simple sugar syrup. So you can see it's just boiling well, and you don't have to cook it beyond the point it starts boiling, and then you just take it out and then allow it to cool down, and then transfer it into another bowl and refrigerate it until we are ready to use the sugar syrup.